When I looked at Creighton University, I was looking for an opportunity to grow not only in my profession or in my leadership potential, but in my personality as well.
Creighton University's doctoral program, Interdisciplinary Leadership, is founded on this idea that if we taught leadership the same way that we have for hundreds of years, we would have solved the world's complex, real-world problems by now.
What I liked about the interdisciplinary leadership was the ability to work with and learn from people in all kinds of areas. When we talk about the things that we've learned, then it's a much broader scope of experience and impression. We really learn a lot from each other.
Talking to the professors that Creighton has on campus and the kinds of care and cure personnel, it really is embodied in everything. Even at the graduate level, I felt like I was going to be always supported, even if it was going to be in a virtual format.
They understood that family is important, and so that's why the program is mostly online, and that's why the program provides you flexibility in the way you approach your content and the way that the content's delivered.
All the classes that we take, leadership classes, social justice, whatever we discuss and learn, we see it in our community, we see it in our workplace, we see it in our personal life. We are leader of our own life.
When you start, you have aspirations to grow, but what I found is the journey is way more rewarding than I ever imagined. So it's grown not only my capacity, but my belief in myself that is way more impactful than what the letters are. The letters are a reminder of the journey. The program is 3 years, 51 credit hours, fully online, except for one required on-campus residency, which occurs at the end of the student's first 8-week class in the program, where you get to know your cohort after having spent one class together, learning about each other online, learning what it means to be an asynchronous online learner.
The cohort is more than just a group of people that you're sort of stuck with. They're your resources, they're people who understand your experience.
Collaborating in that way, I think, helps us because a lot of the themes are very transferable, but I don't always understand how it applies to their professions, and it's nice to pick our brains and learn off each other.
I'm finding myself really just a whole different level of understanding what being a researcher looks like and going from wanting to solve a problem in the world to actually trying to solve the problem in the world, and that is really powerful.
When you ask me, what has Creighton done for me, it's affirmed my purpose in life and that I am here, I have value, and that I have a mission. And that mission is to go and lead others and to provide those environments of leadership that people then want to turn around and lead more.
Our students come to our classrooms as practitioners, and what they leave us as are practitioner scholars. When you leave our program, do you want to be at a table with people that were trained just like you? Or do you want to be the voice that says, I wonder if we approach this a little bit differently, how this might be better? That's what we're training in our program.